Imagine living where the mornings start in your own vineyard, where chickens and sheep and maybe horses one day are already part of the rhythm of home, where own solar keeps you self-sustained, and a vegetable garden this productive means dinner starts in your own backyard. Reimagined from top to bottom, this home of nearly 100 years old is still wrapped in the character that only time can build. A covered porch runs the length of the entry, built for slow mornings and neighbors who still stop by. Step inside and the great room settles around a river rock fireplace, crown molding that hints of the history of this home, nearly 100 years ago, fully renovated so none of the history feels dated. In the kitchen, a professional range under a custom cedar hood, granite counters, a farmhouse sink, and an island built for company. Everything here was reimagined in the last 5 years, so the character stayed and the function caught up. Tucked behind French Egyptian antique doors, a full walk-in pantry, the kind of storage that makes hosting effortless instead of a scramble. At the end of the day, the primary bath does the rest of the work. A freestanding soaking tub under a window, a large walk-in shower with rain heads, and a vintage vessel sink vanity that ties the whole home story together. And it all circles back here. Step onto the back patio and everything you imagined at the start, the vineyard, the garden, the open ground, rolls out in front of you. No screens, no roof lines in the way. This is the view you come home to, not the one you see on vacation. 10 acres, a working vineyard, animals in place, a stable, a poultry barn, a shop, a 3,000 square foot garden, a 9 kilowatt solar system, a fully renovated century home. And yet still, you're minutes from the top schools, shopping, dining, all in one of the best places to live in California. Properties like this, they don't come around often. Reach out and let's get you out here to see this piece of paradise in person.